3 killed in Houthi missile attack on cargo ship, U.S. military. 3 crew members killed in Houthi missile strike on cargo ship off southern Yemen. U.S. Central Command, Centcom, confirms 3 crew members killed and at least 4 injured. Houthis claim the crew ignored warnings from Houthi naval forces. US, UK, and other nations demand an immediate end to Houthi attacks on shipping. Deadly attacks may lead to calls for stepped-up retaliation, risking further escalation. Several other ships have been targeted by Houthi missile attacks in the region. The situation remains tense due to the humanitarian crisis in Gaza.